Hey guys, so I'm super excited today because I actually have a mystery slime box from Magic City Slime, and it's an Etsy page, and basically they have mystery boxes for slime, so that's always fun. And this is the medium one, so it comes with 4 mystery slimes, so I'm really excited. So I went ahead and cut open the box, but I haven't looked at the slimes yet, so packaged with these air bubble things. There's some ribbon, and there's this thing of extras, I guess. So this says Magic City Slime. There's their information, and this is slime care. Comes with a pretty big bag of borax and this really cute mermaid charm. Let's see if it goes with any of the slimes, as well as 2 pieces of starter, some ribbon, and some more of these bubble things. Let me just go ahead and take out the slimes themselves. So there's 4 slimes, and I guess another bag of extras. That's awesome. So it comes with 4 slimes. But I'm going to go ahead and look at this bag of extras because it looks like it's a lot of stuff. So in this bag here, we have a lot of glitter. So in this bag, there's like cute little jars of different, this one's silver glitter, and then there's like some Fimo pieces, and then there's these like purple heart confetti type things, and then there's also a thing of pink glitter, more Fimo pieces, so that's awesome. I actually didn't expect this. I thought it was just going to be 4 random slimes, so that's awesome. But there's even more. So actually kinetic sand. It's like it's purple kinetic sand. Yeah, so that's awesome. That's fun. Okay, and then we have some fresh jelly cubes, so you can just put this in whatever slime you like. And it's always fun to mix the jelly cube instead of have it already made for you, so I think that's fun. And then this are these foam pieces that you can cut and put into your slime. I love these. There's a red one, a brown one, and a yellow one. Alright, and then there are these fun pink foam beads. So just the extras alone, I'm already impressed. Especially with buying like those mystery boxes, it's kind of scary. Like you don't know if it's gonna be like sometimes like a trick or something. But so far, this is definitely not a trick. This is way better than I expected already. Even though I haven't even looked at the actual slime, just looking at the extras, like that is really, really cute. I love the extras. To the actual slimes, I'll start with this one over here. They're each individually wrapped in these foam bags, so that's nice. This one is called Rose Life. It looks like it might be like a fishbowl. Oh, and there's gold leaf on there. That is really a bit later, but I just kind of wanted to open them to see what they all look like. This one is called Blue Watermelon. Interesting. Haven't seen anything like this. It looks like there's some of those like pink foam beads as well as some Fimo pieces, so I guess if you wanted you could add more to it, so that's fun. I love this baby blue color. Here, let's see. This one, ooh, that's cool. This is called Espresso. It's also like a blue color, but it has some of this, looks like that might be pigment that you can mix, so that looks fun. It's called Espresso. And the last one, before I start actually playing with them, this one is called Dolce and Banana. Interesting name. And this looks like a cloud slime, and it has glitter on top. So I like how all of these, this one feels like it might be a butter slime just because it's kind of light compared to the other ones. But I like how it's pretty interesting. All of these are interesting because they have something on top that you can play with. Okay, so right off the bat, this smells like rose. It smells like rose water, and it smells really good. It's like really subtle. It's not too strong, and it's actually really refreshing. And it has these awesome like rose, I don't know, charms in them, and they're really pretty. And the gold foil is just so fun to like press into the slime. I like how they let you do that. And yeah, it's just really pretty, and it's like it has this like iridescent finish to it. Yeah, it's clear, so I think it's really fun, and it smells so good. And I usually don't like flower scents too much, but this one smells great, so I totally would recommend this. So this one, I love the texture of it just because it's like kind of like on the harder side, but at the same time it's like really stretchy, but you can like really hold on to it without it melting into your hand. So I really like the texture of this, and it's really smooth, and it kind of smells, it's called blue watermelon. I kind of smell kind of like raspberry, like maybe like blue raspberry candy or something like that. But yeah, it's really fun to kind of swirl and pop. Super glossy and super clicky, of course. So again, love this one. I think is one of the stretchiest cloud slimes that I've ever like played with before, so it's really fun, and I like the glitters. They're a really fun addition. So this is Dolce and Banana, and it definitely does smell like banana, so that's awesome. It doesn't smell like artificial or anything. It smells really fresh. So as I guessed previously, this is a butter slime, and this one is also super stretchy and fun, and I love mixing it. It also comes with this cute little espresso charm on it. You can see it holds up pretty well. It doesn't lose shape much. So yeah, this is a really nice butter slime, super stretchy, and it holds up its shape really well. So yeah, I think this one's really fun, and again, I really enjoyed mixing it together. Okay, so overall, I am really impressed with this mystery slime package. I was honestly a bit worried just because mystery, sometimes they kind of trick you, but this was amazing. I think this is one of my favorite slime packages that I've ever received, especially with all these extras. Like, that is so cute. I can't get over how cute it is. And the textures were all amazing. I didn't have to add borax or anything, although they did come with big pouch of borax if I wanted to mix it, and also this mermaid charm, so maybe I'll just put it there kind of for fun. But yeah, I think this one's my favorite, this rose petal one, just because it was really fun pressing the gold foil in, and it's really pretty. Check them out, Magic City Slime. So yeah, you can buy like a mystery slime box like this one, or you can buy some of their individual ones. So yeah, love the textures, would totally recommend this shop, and the packaging was great, nothing spilled, lots of extras. So yeah, link in the description, Magic City Slime. Thanks for watching.